Hello friends, today on this video I'm going to show you how to set or use 12-hour or 24-hour on Tecno mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting, then from here you just scroll like that to setting. Okay, on the down you are going to find the setting option. Also you just keep scrolling. Okay, here is the system, so you click on this system. After that, just click here on the date and time. Then from here you just keep scrolling to here. You have to off this one. Okay, use local default. Okay, so off it. And if you have been off, here you are going to find the use 24-hour format. Okay, so if you want to use this 24-hour format, you just click on this icon and it will be in blue color, and here you will be able to see it has been now 1931 minutes. Okay, so if you want to use 12-hour format, what you need to do is that just click on this icon again, and here you can see it has been 7:31 right now. Okay, 7:31 minutes. Okay, so you can use 12-hour and 24-hour by this icon. Okay, so let's click on this icon so that it can be on off right now, no, when you on this one. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.